Hello friends. Today in this video we're going to talk about AliExpress, one of the biggest online marketplaces in the world. But this time, we're not just talking about shopping deals, we're talking about what real customers are saying. According to Trustpilot, AliExpress has received over 176,000 reviews with an overall rating of just 2.3 out of 5, which falls under the poor category. Its trust score sits at 2.5 out of 5, and that number alone tells us there are some serious concerns among users. Now, let's break down what people are experiencing. Most reviewers report unhappy experiences. Many customers say their orders were missing items, arrived damaged, or never showed up at all. The delivery service is another major issue. Buyers frequently mention long delays and no proper tracking updates. It doesn't stop there. The refund process has also been called out repeatedly. Many users claim it's difficult to get money back, even when the item never arrives or is returned. On top of that, customer service is often described as unhelpful and biased towards sellers, leaving buyers feeling frustrated and unprotected. Let's look at what some users said. Steve Parsons rated it 2 stars, saying that when he ordered several items, one was missing, and AliExpress contested his claim with PayPal. He got lucky since the amount was small, but it could have been worse. Flo81 also gave 2 stars, saying buyers aren't protected against scams, and it's rare to get a full refund. According to them, some scam shops keep operating, making it risky for regular customers. Overall conclusion, based on thousands of reviews and user experiences, AliExpress seems to have major issues with reliability, refunds, and customer support. While some shoppers might still find good deals, the overwhelming feedback shows significant dissatisfaction and weak buyer protection. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and stay tuned for more honest reviews and updates.